Eight bodies were recovered and 384 were rescued in Sumana area of Neethi Valley near the India-China border in Chamoli district. Earlier, the Uttarakhand government had issued a red alert following reports that a glacier had broken off in the Sumana area of Neethi Valley. The glacier burst took place because of heavy rains and snowfall in the region. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat said he is in constant touch with the district administration and BRO. CBI registers FIR in connection with corruption allegations levelled by Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh against former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Various locations in connection with the case were raided by CBI in Mumbai. The Union government said it is in talks for the import of high-capacity oxygen-carrying tankers from Singapore and the United Arab Emirates. The centre asked states to revive all closed oxygen plants for augmenting their production. The centre has written separate letters to the states directing them to list down oxygen producers in their respective jurisdiction and ensure uninterrupted supply and transport of oxygen. India registered 3,46,786 fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing the overall tally beyond 1.66 crores. According to the Health Ministry, the death toll in the country is currently over 1.89 lakhs. Besides Delhi and Mumbai, Bengaluru is now emerging as the worst affected metro with the highest number of active cases in the country. The UAE modified its travel ban on India by allowing the transportation of passengers from the Gulf countries to India. UAE government had earlier suspended incoming flights on national and foreign carriers from India for 10 days due to the worsening COVID-19 situation in the country. Amid rising coronavirus cases in Ghaziabad, a Gurudwara in Indrapuram has come forward with a unique initiative on humanitarian grounds to help COVID-19 patients. The volunteers in Gurudwara have started Oxygen Langar. According to the operators, this step was taken at a time when there is acute shortage of oxygen in the country. Southeast Asian leaders will be meeting Myanmar's top general Min Aung Hlaing in an emergency summit in Indonesia. During the meeting, the South Asian leaders are expected to pressurize the top general to end the violence by security forces that has left thousands of protesters dead. The leaders would also press for the release of Aung San Suu Kyi and other political detainees. Jug Jug Jio's director Raj Mehta suspended his second schedule of the movie in Mumbai due to curfew-like restrictions. In December last year, after Varun Dhawan, Neetu Kapoor and Mehta tested positive, the movie's schedule in Chandigarh was halted for 2 weeks. Jug Jug Jio features Anil Kapoor, Kiara Advani, Varun Dhawan and Neetu Kapoor. The movie also marks Neetu Kapoor's return to Bollywood after 7 years. Punjab Kings defeated defending champions Mumbai Indians by 9 wickets at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai. Punjab Kings star players KL Rahul and Chris Gayle led the team to victory. Besides KL Rahul and Chris Gayle, Ravi Bishnoi and Mohammad Shami led from the front with the ball.